welcome back to another trip in the tiny home. Tonight I'm gonna be sleeping out here, make a fire, eat some breakfast in the morning. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I hardly have any tinder. It's just some logs, birch bark, and then an unfinished project with like some drywall screws. Gotta do some midnight splitting. It's not actually midnight, it's like 6 o'clock. Can't see. Oh, it's all in snow. I just sliced my hand open. Dang. Ah, that's actually bleeding a lot. Oh my gosh. My axe looks like a murder scene. Look, there's blood all over it. Ah! That's all blood, like I'm not joking. Alright, so 20 minutes later, we are back in business. I rushed inside, got some gauze. The downside is I left my wood bucket outside while it's snowing. The dry wood's now soaking wet. So that kind of sucks, but it's gonna be great. Ready? Watch this.
No.
Ooh! It's going up. Yes. Oh.
Open the oxygen.
Now it's time to unbox what I have in my bag. First off, we have damage counters for Pokemon. Oh, the thing I need most. Lord of the Rings. Guys, you don't understand. This is my life right here. No, it's not. I'm over-exaggerating. My Pokemon deck? I'm such a nerd. Lord of the Rings and Pokemon, like, what am I doing right now? 8 eggs for breakfast in the morning. Can you turn down Mario Kart, please? I have a teapot for in the morning. Spatula, a spoon, a single spoon, and a stapler. There's so much cold air coming through the store right now, so I brought the stapler to snap these things back in there. Ow! I forgot to mention that in my teapot is bacon bits for the eggs and some cheese. You cannot forget these ingredients for scrambled eggs. I'm putting the cheese and eggs outside. Natural refrigerator. Alright, I'm winding down. I'm gonna blow up the candles and read some Lord of the Rings. Alright, where'd I leave off? Meanwhile, an argument was going on by the fireplace. Mr. Butterbur had come trotting in. Alright. See you in the morning. Several hours later. I'm gonna go outside and scoop some snow so I can have some tea. Got the Yeti mug. Water and snow. Here go. 2 of 3. Oh. Yes. These are actually really good. Oh wow, that's awesome. Well, that was a lot of fun, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. I'll see you next time.